Leather watch bands and the buckles on the bands are typically held in by spring bars. A miniature fork tool is used to press in on one side of the bar and the band or buckle can be maneuvered off. In this brief video we show what tools you need, how this works, and where to get replacement watch bands. For under $10, you can obtain a complete set of watch tools and never have to pay a jeweler $20 or above to install a watch band ever again. Okay, now that we've explained how the bands and buckles are held in by springs on the sides, watch me press in using the fork. To remove the band, I press in on one side and the spring pushes in, and then I can maneuver the band out. The kit I purchased has replacement spring bars that go inside the band, or I can reuse the original. I had to pick a band that matched the width of the old band closely, so I measured the band using a ruler and bought one that matched. The replacement band had a gold buckle, but it didn't match perfectly, so let's share how to get the buckle off to swap it and reuse the old buckle. It's the same principle as before. The buckle is held in with a spring bar, and using a fork, we press in and pull the buckle off. Simple as that. To reinstall, we insert the spring bar into the band, put one side in, press in on the other side of the spring with the fork tool, and insert the band. We move it slightly around to make sure the point of the spring bar clicks into the hole on the band or buckle and is secured inside. Similarly, for the buckle, we do the same, inserting the spring bar, insert one side, press in on the other side, put it on, and we're done. Items and tools are linked in the description, and enjoy not paying a jeweler $20 for a kit that you can get for under $10. Thanks for watching.